Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about a few Playwright concepts. So you are able to see my screen, I hope so. And so this is a new project I have created, and we will do more things from here. First of all, see, I have one. This is the Playwright website, right? Everyone knows this is the reference we are using. Going forward, we will go through it, and we will have some things from here. And I have created one new repository, Playwright automation. So in next session, no, already you can watch my previous sessions. I have Playwright step installation, how we are pushing the code to the repository. Everything we will see from this session here. And so here, so this is the application we are using. Say let's code it. Let's code it.com. This is a free website, so you can go for the practice page. How you can go, right? Go to here, practice, and element practice. So here we will try to test all the elements. So from what are the elements are available here, we will try to test it. And yeah, we will see all these examples first, and going forward, so more things we are going to discuss in this Playwright session. Okay. First thing is, right, so I'm going to say this one, whether element is hidden or show. If I click on show, so just I'm able to type something. If I hide it, so the element is hidden. So how we are going to see, so this concept we will see in today's session. So this is the default file we will use it. And I will explain about in next. See, after the setup, we will get playwright.config.js file, right? I will try to explain each and every one in this session. In next session, okay. And there are some 3 years errors it is showing. Yeah, we will try to solve it in next sessions. Okay. Okay, coming to test, right? I'm creating one folder, Playwright concepts. Okay, concepts. Under this, I will say that hide show test hyphen hide show example. Okay, examples dot use aspect.ts file. Okay, okay, import test expect. So okay, this is what say we are going to use test by test, right? Test example will write it, and expect is the assertion. So we are getting from the playwright hyphen slash test library. Okay, test. So directly I will go with the test case. Hide and show example async. See right now, so I'm going with directly I'm going with the page fixture here. So browser context, right? You can watch my previous sessions. What is the example of browser context on the page? You can watch in my previous sessions. But now directly I'm going with the, instead of recapping, just I'm going with the page fixture here. So await.page dot. So I'll go with this URL. Let's code it.com dot practice it. Okay. In this, after launching this page, right? Say okay. You can try for anything like after launching this page, we can try for anything for the assertion. So let's suppose practice page, or okay, I can wait for any of these elements only directly. Okay, this element should be visible like. Okay. See, ID, high text box is there. Control C, Control F. See, ID, right? Hash, you know the locators, right? So you can watch my previous session for the locators also. So one element is hiding, right? Highlighting, right? Okay, high text box. Okay. You go here and wait. Mm, Okay, expect. So actually, I am integrated with GitHub Copilot. That is the reason it is giving auto suggestions. Still, we will write the code page.locator. So I will use this as a locator. Okay, locator. Just I will say to be visible. Yeah, once it is visible, then so I'm telling that we are successfully launched in this page. Okay. Now after that, say now. So once if you try to click this hide element, right? This field should go off. You should make assertion every time, whether it is passing or failing, right? Based on the assertions only, you are going to get the result. If it is visible, our test case passes. If it is not visible, then our test case fails. So our main motto is if it is clicked on hide, so the field went away. Means we are not able to see that field. If I click on show, again we are able to see the field. See now, if I click on hide, this should be hidden, right? So go here, try to identify the element, this element. Okay. What is that for this also? ID display text is there. So copy this, Control F. See, one element is matching, right? Now go here. First, await page dot click. So page dot locator hide box or text box dot click. Okay. What I am doing? Locator hide text box dot click. Okay. Once it is clicked, then wait. So I'm giving the assertion expect page dot locator. What is the element we captured? Let's copy this display text. So what it is having? This is dot to be hidden. So dot to be hidden. Okay. See why it is not coming now. So I need to close the double bracket. Okay, I need to close this dot to be hidden. Can you see here? Okay, this is what we are expecting. Okay. Now once it is hidden, okay, hidden. Now again I am clicking on the show button. So show text. Click on the show text. Then that same should be enabled or visible. You can say visible. Okay, show text. Await page dot locator. This is the locator dot click. Once it is clicked, then await page dot locator display text. So copy this locator. Copy this line. Okay. Page dot locator to be visible. To be visible. Right. This is my test case. Okay. Now I am running this test case to see the result. Normally I will do npx playwright test. Okay. Just see it is running all the three workers. So I will show you where and all it is running three workers in the playwright.config.js file. Yeah, I will show you in the next session. Yeah, running. Okay, it is telling click. Okay. Why this line got failed, right? Can you see here? This is the locator we added, but we failed to add whether it is a class or a ID, hash or dot or any of the attribute like that. So that is the reason it got failed. Go to our test case. See display text also same thing. It will fail. See high text box. Here it should fail this assertion. Everything is ID. Here also hash. Okay. Everywhere it is hash. Okay. Now again I'm running. All the three test cases pass, right? So what I will do, right? I will run in the headed mode, headed. See, by default, Playwright works on parallel mode. See, it is running in all the three browsers. Can you see? So what I will do, right? This is Firefox. If it is launching very late. Okay. Hmm. What I will do, right? I will say project Chromium. Just I will run in Chromium browser. Okay. On this, say now it will be one of one test. It will run one of one test. Okay. Okay. The execution is fast, right? So what I'll do, right? We will add just for wait, page data. Wait for timeout. Just I'm adding to see the execution, but we should not use. But by default, so there are the default timeouts. But still, I'm using to see the execution is very quick, right? We need to see what is happening step by step, or we can use pause also debugging mode. See, it got hidden. It got again. It got show example. Okay. Now I'm taking out wait for timeout. Okay. This is how. This is the concept of this hmm, test to hide show and examples, right? Okay. I hope if this session is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.